Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
So, you probably have built some brand around your name or profile by now, and I hope so. Did you get the Now You Know guidebook? So, there is a step-by-step there if you want to follow. But why should you be branding yourself even further? That's the big question. Well, the answer is it helps attract the right listeners. Remember, you are online to attract the right listeners. It's not about quantity. It's not about the number of followers, but the right listeners, people who listen to what you are saying or interact with your posts and share. It's not about likes. It's about sharing and interaction. So optimizing your online presence to convert new visitors into listeners is the move you must do, and that's why your branding will play a crucial role here on doing that move. So let's start with a simple question. Is your current username adapting the KISS principle that we talked about before? In other words, is it simple, memorable, and easy to find online? Or it's something that is complicated and people cannot really understand your username? It seems like it's a detail, but this is something that it can really make a difference for your personal branding. For example, according to research, it takes less than 0.2 of a second for someone browsing online to form an impression about your profile or bio. So, for example, if your username to the profile bio needs to be telling you, it's complicated, right? It's then these people actually is not gonna look at your bio. And more important than the username is what your bio or your profile is telling about you. You have to create a unique story, a story that is only you have, a story about you.
A, B, C. A always be B, C closing. Always be closing. Always be closing.
Yes, always be closing, but always be closing with a story that is unique to you, and it's also attract to people to read it, right? You need to describe who you are now and what you do and the story behind your skills or product, service, etc. And finally, how you can add value to your listener. That's very crucial. What is in it for them, right? The profile and your bio should not be 100% about you, but what you have to offer. Your brand should reflect yourself, voice and tone, we already talked about this, and be true to not risk your credibility by lying. That's a no-no, right? And be built so it helps to attract the right potential listeners. That's your end goal, to find the right people online and have them to attract to you, what you have to offer.
Here's a real high-class bout. It's on! This match will get red hot. Now go! A brawl is surely brewing. You're up! A great slam and then some. Here goes. Good day for a swell battle. And begin!
Knockout!
Okay, so as action, time to rebrand yourself to who you want to be. Do not be afraid to reinvent yourself from the bottom up. Don't be afraid to use both text and emoji, for example, to save space on your message, on your bio. It's totally okay. But the point again is to start it to create a position for yourself where you are starting to move to where you want to be without lying, of course, right? So give some thoughts on that. And some of you are asking about food for thoughts. Basically, there's a guy online that I like very much. And he always say, if you listen to this, you are the resistance. Check it out. The name is Strange Than Fictions. Okay? So see you soon again next Monday. And keep rocking, all right? Bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.